Welcome to our world of stunning transformations. Today, we're unveiling the magic of epoxy staircases. From vibrant colors to mesmerizing designs, epoxy brings durability and style to your home. Experience beauty and functionality that lasts. Let's dive into the incredible journey of crafting your dream staircase. Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderful Home Design channel. Epoxy staircases have become a popular choice for modern home and commercial designs, offering a visually stunning and durable solution. These staircases utilize epoxy resin, known for its strength and versatility, to create a seamless, glossy finish that enhances both the aesthetic and functional aspects of stairways. The application of epoxy allows for endless customization. Homeowners can choose from a variety of colors, patterns, and even incorporate intricate designs or metallic flake effects to suit their style. Beyond their striking appearance, epoxy staircases are resistant to wear and tear, making them an excellent choice for high-traffic areas. They are also easy to clean and maintain, which is a significant advantage in busy households. Additionally, epoxy can provide a non-slip surface, increasing safety for users. Overall, epoxy staircases are a blend of artistry and practicality, elevating the look of any space while ensuring long-lasting durability. Epoxy staircases are quickly gaining popularity as a modern and stylish flooring solution that combines beauty with functionality. The use of epoxy resin creates a smooth, glossy finish that can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of any staircase. Available in a wide range of colors and finishes, including vibrant hues and elegant marbling effects, epoxy allows homeowners to customize their stairs to match their interior decor seamlessly. One of the standout features of epoxy staircases is their resilience. They are resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture, making them ideal for both residential and commercial applications. Moreover, epoxy is easy to clean and requires minimal maintenance, a significant advantage for busy households or public spaces. Many epoxy formulations also offer anti-slip properties, enhancing safety as users navigate the stairs. With their stunning aesthetic and practical benefits, epoxy staircases are a smart choice for creating inviting. Epoxy staircases stand out not only for their striking visuals, but also for their exceptional durability and versatility. The epoxy resin used in these staircases can be molded into various shapes and designs, allowing for unique customizations that cater to any architectural style. Whether it's a sleek contemporary design or a more traditional look, epoxy can adapt beautifully. Additionally, the application process creates a solid, bonded surface that is resistant to impact and chemicals, making it an ideal choice for environments where spills and heavy foot traffic are common. The seamless finish of epoxy eliminates hard-to-clean grout lines present in other materials, ensuring maintenance is a breeze. Furthermore, epoxy staircases can incorporate creative elements such as embedded graphics or decorative stones, making each installation a true work of art. Offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal.